Welcome to the Endearing World of Carnations. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the charming and versatile world of carnation flowers. Carnations, scientifically known as Dianthus caryophyllus, are celebrated for their classic beauty and sweet fragrance. These iconic flowers are cherished for their ruffled petals, vibrant colors, and rich symbolism. Join us as we explore the endearing world of carnations. The genus Dianthus encompasses a variety of species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Carnations are characterized by their clustered, fringed petals that come in a wide range of colors, including shades of pink, red, white, yellow, and even bicolor varieties. Their delicate appearance and sweet, spicy fragrance have earned them a special place in the world of gardening and floral design. Carnations carry deep cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with meanings of love, admiration, and fascination, making them popular choices for bouquets, corsages, and as a symbol of affection. Additionally, carnations are renowned for their long-lasting quality, making them a beloved choice for floral arrangements and cut flowers. Carnations are highly regarded in the world of gardening and floristry. They are a favorite among gardeners for their ease of cultivation and ability to add elegance and fragrance to gardens, borders, containers, and floral displays. Whether grown as annuals or perennials, carnations offer a timeless and charming presence in any landscape. One of the most remarkable features of carnations is their adaptability to different growing conditions. They can thrive in gardens, borders, rock gardens, and even as container plants, making them suitable for a variety of garden environments. Their resilience and classic beauty add to their popularity among gardeners and flower enthusiasts. Efforts are made to conserve native Dianthus species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, carnations are more than just classic blooms. They embody the spirit of love, admiration, and the enduring charm of flowers. Carnations are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to more arid zones with hot summers. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Carnations are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate and even Mediterranean climates. Some varieties endure high heat and are drought-tolerant once established. Soil preferences. Carnations prefer well-draining soil and are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or rocky soils. They thrive in slightly alkaline to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Carnations require moderate watering during their growing season. They appreciate consistent moisture but should not be waterlogged. Sunlight requirements. Most carnation varieties flourish in full sun to partial shade, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. They are sun-loving plants that brighten up gardens with their vibrant colors and fragrance. Carnations offer a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their endearing charm into your outdoor space. Garden beds. Plant carnations in garden beds or borders, creating a classic and fragrant display that adds a touch of elegance to your landscape. Cutting gardens. Cultivate carnations in cutting gardens, where their long-lasting flowers can be used for exquisite floral arrangements, bringing beauty and fragrance indoors. Containers. Grow carnations in pots and containers to bring their classic beauty to patios, balconies, and small spaces. They are perfect for container gardens. Rock gardens. Some carnation varieties, like the alpine pinks, Dianthus alpinus, are ideal for rock gardens, adding a touch of delicate beauty to rocky terrain. Floral decor. Use carnations as focal flowers in floral decor for weddings, celebrations, and special occasions, where their classic appeal and fragrance enhance the atmosphere. The versatility of carnations empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create classic garden beds, charming container arrangements, or elegant floral displays. Thank you for joining us on this endearing journey into the endearing world of carnations. Carnations have captivated gardeners, florists, and flower enthusiasts for their classic blooms, fragrance, and the timeless charm they bring to gardens and floral arrangements. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a floral enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of flowers, May these endearing blooms continue to bring love, admiration, and a touch of classic elegance to your life and surroundings.